If I was 18 years old again and had to start from zero in the restaurant industry, this is exactly what I would do, and I would move fast. Because one of the biggest mistakes young waiters make is wasting years in the wrong places. First thing, I would take any restaurant job I could get. Anything. Busser, runner, host. Fast casual, doesn't matter. The goal at this stage is not money. The goal is entering the industry as fast as possible. But the second I enter the restaurant, I start studying everything. The menu, the POS, and the service standards. I would watch the strongest waiters in the restaurant like a hawk. How they talk, how they move, and how they control tables. Then I would learn the menu and the computer system as fast as possible. And within maximum 3 months, I would ask for promotion. If management sees that you work hard, learn fast, and show up on time, you have earned the right to ask for more responsibility. And if they say no, fine. I keep learning. I stay professional. But now I start looking for a waiter position somewhere else. Never waste years waiting for somebody to notice you. Push your career forward aggressively in the beginning. While working, I would also invest in education immediately. Wine, service, fine dining standards, English. Skills change your income. After 6 months, I should already be working as a waiter somewhere. And if it's still not fine dining, then I keep pushing. And this part is very important. Even if I worked in a normal restaurant, my standards would still be fine dining. Why? Because once you finally enter luxury hospitality, the jump will not destroy you. And the biggest career move? Getting into a real fine dining restaurant. Even if you must start again as a runner or busser. Once I enter fine dining, now I slow down. Once you enter a strong restaurant, stay there, grow there, build your reputation there. Because future employers will ask, why did you change so many jobs? And your answer should become powerful. Yes, in the beginning I moved fast to enter fine dining quickly, but once I entered, I stayed and built myself there. Now I'm ready for a bigger challenge. Inside fine dining, I repeat the same process again. Observe top waiters. Learn the menu perfectly. Become valuable fast. And within 6 months, I push for backup waiter, then senior waiter, then maybe captain. This industry can change your life, but only if you stop moving casually. Move with urgency in the beginning, then move with strategy. That's how you build a serious hospitality career. If you want to grow faster in hospitality, join the Waiters Academy.